Good evening, my name is Lisa Pallavi Barbora and I'm bringing you today's market wrap. It was a day of declines for the market. There was bad news all around which pulled benchmark indices lower throughout the day. The BSE Sensex finally ended near the day's low at 17,232, down 257 points, and the Nifty corrected 1.34% to end at 5235. Broader markets in fact did much better. The BSE mid-cap index was down only around 0.53% and the BSE 500 index was down around 1.08%. No surprises, it's the IT stocks that dragged down the benchmark indices after Infosys declared its results. The company reported revenue decline on a sequential basis of 1.1%. Although low expectations were already built into the stock, the company failed to deliver even that and has now reduced its FY13 guidance lower to around 5% from the earlier 8 to 10%. On a year-on-year basis, revenues increased only around 4.8% and margins too declined nearly 2%, even though some of that is accounted for by a one-off write-off. However, analysts were expecting that margins would be stable to positive on account of a sharply declining INR throughout the quarter. Now, this isn't good news and it did rub off on other IT stocks as well. Among large caps, Wipro declined around 4% and HCL Tech was down around 2.57%. After market close, TCS also declared its Q1 numbers and beat market expectations both on revenues and net profit. The company reported a 38% growth in net profit. Margins too were maintained around 27%. The market may have anticipated some of that, as among large caps it was the stock declined the least, around 1.8%. The other news for the day was the IIP number for May, which was released. It came in at a surprising 2.4%, which was above expectations, so that was good news. However, on the flip side, the April IIP number was revised downwards from 0.1% to a negative 0.9%, which was not good for the market. So on that front, sentiment was mixed. Global markets too were subdued today. Major European indices are trading around 1% lower, and major Asian indices closed more than 1% lower as expectations on a stimulus from the US have dampened. That's it from me for now. Log on to livemint.com for further updates.